Welcome to Question Time with the Village Preacher. Today I'm not asking how, when, or what. I am asking why. Why are you asking me why I am asking why? Why? Why are most drinks made of artificial lemon flavors, yet dishwashers are made of real lemon juice? Why? Giving plates a sparkling finish but people a gradual death. Why? Why do doctors call what they do practice? Is it practice as of an imperfect person trying to achieve improvement through experiment or repetition on a person's body? Why? Why is the person who invests all your money called a broker? Why? How could a broker prevent somebody from being broke? Why? The platform for boxing is a square, but why calling it a boxing ring? Why? Is a ring square? Why? Is it that in the realms of fighting common knowledge is not common? Why? Why is the time with the slowest transport called the rush hour? Why? Why is it the more we rush, hurry and speed, the more we turn slow? Why? If we can be slow by being fast, can't we be fast by being slow? Why is the word dictionary in the dictionary? Why? Is it because nobody has a right to define without being defined? Why is the word abbreviation such a long word? Why? If shortcuts were the best, abbreviation was supposed to be the shortest. Why are female and male toilets different and yet they stick posters even on the very toilets calling people to be gender blind? Why? God in his wisdom created the male and female equal before him but with the different roles in the home and society. Why turning men into women and women into men? Why? Feminine men and masculine women is the best recipe for disaster. Why does a pumpkin plant so small have pumpkin fruit so big, yet a mango tree so big bears mango fruit so small? Why? Him who had a mango fruit hit his face while sleeping under the tree understands better why God made mango fruit so small. Imagine if it was a pumpkin. God never said sins are black. He says they are red like crimson. But why calling anything black evil? As if you know the color of the devil. Why? Why calling an illegal market a black market? Why? Why black yet yellow, green and white are colors too? Why? Why calling a bad person a black sheep when there are many colors for sheep? Why? Witchcraft and sorcery are evil acts practiced in the whole world. Why calling the practices black magic or black art when there are so many colors on earth? Why? Why calling pestering cockroaches black beetles as if cockroaches are black? Why? Why calling comedy with a tragic end black comedy? Why? Even if the actors are of different colors. Why? Why calling a pimple a black head? Are pimples black? Why? Why calling eyes which is almost invisible and dangerous to drive on black eyes? Why? Why calling a betrayer a black leg? Why? Why is that a list of people who are considered dangerous a blacklist? Even if the shortlisted people are not blacks. Why? Why calling that tropical disease black water fever? Yet it affects all regardless of color. Why? Why calling bribing and forceful coercion blackmailing? Why? Why calling any scoundrel a villain, a blackguard? Why? Why calling others black when they are brown? Why? Why calling others white when they are actually pink? Why? Why calling yourself white when you are pink? Why? Do you think you are so good? Why? Why calling yourself black when you are brown? Why? Do you think you are so bad? Why? Who knows the color of the devil? Him who knows the color of the devil is the one who stays with him. Why are you asking me why I am asking why? Why? But why not ask why? Why? Why?